I'm Enrico and I'm an Augmented Reality Software Engineer at Gamma AR. Today, construction professionals are used to compare 2D floor plans to take decisions, sometimes having to compare 15 at a time with different predefined views. We realized that it is easier for people to look at something familiar, so we use the floor plan as a natural entry point into augmented reality. With Gamma AR, professionals anchor their 3D models with a dynamic and up-to-date floor plan. They can adjust the cut plane, height and display elements. Voila! No on-site preparations required. It's a radical improvement versus static PDF plans.